Next we're going to show you how to cook some rice using the Visiotherm. It's really quite simple. We're going to use a 2-to-1 water to rice combination. So we've washed the rice off already. Now we're just going to add the water. And we're going to place the cover on. We're going to turn the stove to medium heat, halfway between low and high. Now once the Visiotherm reaches between approximately 60 or halfway in the green zone, that's when we're going to lower the heat down to a minimum. You can actually turn the heat off and the rice will actually finish cooking on top of the stove. That's how energy efficient this cookware is. So once again, it started on medium. When it reaches between 50 and 60 in the green zone, that's when we're going to lower the heat. The rice has reached about the 60-degree mark in the center of the green zone, so now we can turn the rice down to low and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes now. Well, let's have a quick look at the rice and see how it's doing. Oh, it looks just beautiful. Wonderful. It's fluffy and flaky. One of the things with this cookware is you can never go wrong when you're cooking your rice.